Explorando Snowbowl en la ciudad de Flagstaff, Arizona. El paseo en góndola en Snowbowl te llevará a la cima de la montaña con vistas que se extienden por todo el norte de Arizona, incluyendo el Gran Cañón en un día despejado. Aunque esta estación es de esquí, las góndolas funcionan en primavera, verano y otoño, ofreciendo una experiencia diferente en cada estación. Mi época favorita para visitar estas partes de Snowbowl y pues dar un paseo en las góndolas es en el otoño, ya que las temperaturas son más frescas y pues el cambio de los álamos dorados y pues menos multitudes. En invierno, Snowbowl es popular para el esquí y disfrutar de los paisajes blancos de la nieve en estos bosques hermosos de el norte de Arizona. Este paseo en góndola te llevará a más de 11.500 pies de altura al pico de San Francisco, con unas vistas espectaculares panorámicas de todo el valle de el norte de Arizona. Realmente un lugar que debes visitar y explorar aquí en Arizona. Si tienes la oportunidad y andas de viaje por Arizona, pues realmente te recomiendo darte una vuelta, ya sea en otoño o en invierno, pero pues date la vuelta a estos lados del norte del estado de Arizona.
Leaving all my worries, I prepare for something new. Whatever it was that held me back, I'm sure it wasn't true. Holding on too long and unresolved questions hold you down. What could have been a friendly smile has turned into a frown. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm driving in my car, the road is long and full of dust. The landscape changes around me, on and on, I feel immersed. Whatever happened to me, happened for my highest good. I read that in so many books, now it's almost understood. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on, on and on. Seagulls fly around the beach house that I rented for a while. You can try to find my number or my FBI file. Sweet is my location, sweet as well my destination. If you're looking to begin, then look no further than within. I'm satisfied with what I've got and still eager for more. The change that you've been looking for will come knock on your door. On and on, on and on, on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on, on and on. I'm moving on and on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on.
And you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? Are we just another project? We're both fixer-uppers, just waiting to crumble. If we search the pieces, would we be bitter, humble? It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder? You ever